I will bring praise, no weapon formed against me shall remain. I will rejoice, I will declare, God is my victory and He is He. So, what's up mga kaibigan? So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to play Desert Song from Hillsong. So, kapag bago ka pa dito guys, huwag kang malimot. Oh no! Huwag mong kalimutan na mag-subscribe, hit the like and notification bell. So, tara na guys, let's go na sa intro natin. So, So, welcome back mga katsoy. For today's video, I'm going to teach you. Yes, I'm going to teach you. So, disclaimer lang po, hindi ako ganito ka galing magturo at mag-play ng guitar. Pero, gusto ko pa rin turuan kayo kung paano. So, strumming po tayo, no? May iba't ibang kasi mga version. May palumanay, may basta. Oh, no. So, it's strumming tayo. Yung ituturo ko pa sa inyo ay down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down. Oh, no. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down. So, yun, no? Yun. Down, down. Basta mga kachoy. At yung chords ng intro, so intro tayo mga kachoy, no? So let's go, B minor. Ito po, B minor. A, G, at D, A. So, yun mga kachoy, no? Mga intro ng chords. So chords, B minor, A, G, D, A. Ganito lang mga katsoy na. Kuha nyo ba mga katsoy? So mga katsoy, yung strumming pala ay ganito. I-slower natin yung strumming mga katsoy. Mga kagitarista. Down, down, up, up, down, up. Okay? Down, down, up, up, down, up. So, let's go. Into pa lang tayo mga kasoy, no? So, speed up natin mga kasoy. Speed up natin. Okay, ito yung intro talaga. Yan lang. Okay. So, punta tayo sa verse mga kachoy, no? Sa verse. So, yung chords ng verse ay same pa din. B minor, A, at G. So, ito yung verse mga kachoy, no? Yung strumming part, okay? Kagitarista, no? Atong i-connect. So, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. So, verse. This is a river in the desert, when all that's within me feels right. This is my prayer and hunger and need. My God is a God who provides. And this is my prayer and the fire in weakness or trial in pain. And there is a faith who more yan guys, no? So, yun mga gitarista, pasensya na sa boses ko, no? So, so, punta tayo ng chorus mga kagitarista, no? So, ang strumming ng chorus, yun, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down. So, yun, no? Oh, yun slower. So, chords tayo. D, A, G, at D. At A over C sharp, A, B, G, A, B, balik sa ito. So, isa-isahin natin, no? So, kakantahin natin. I will bring praise. You know, I will bring praise. I will bring praise. So, you know, D at A. No weapon formed again, it shall remain. So, you know, I will bring praise. I will bring praise. So, no weapon formed against me shall remain. Ay, joke. Shall remain. Oo nga, remain. So, I will rejoice. A over C sharp. I will rejoice. I will declare God is my victory in His name. So, itong i-play, no? Isusulat ko lang yung chords dito. Pakita ko. So, let's go. Play the chorus. 1, 2, 3, go. I will bring praise. I will bring praise. No weapon formed against me shall remain. I will rejoice. I will declare God is my victory in His name. So back to intro yun. God is my victory in His name. Back to intro tayo guys. So pagkatapos ng chorus guys, back to intro tayo, no? Ganito yung intro, di ba? 1, 2, 3, go. Intro to. Verse 3. This is my prayer in the battle, when triumph is still on its way. I am a conqueror and co-heir with Christ, so firm on His promise I'll stand. Dun, 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 dun. I will bring praise. I will bring praise. No weapon formed against me shall remain. I will rejoice. I will declare God is my victory in His name. So, no? Pagkatapos ng chorus, God is my victory in His name. B minor, A, at G. Bridge na tayo. So, ang bridge ay, ang chords ng bridge ay B minor, A, G, at D. So, yan guys, no? So, ganito yun guys, no? All of my life, in every season, You are still God. I have a reason to sing. I have a reason to worship. So, you know? So, let's go. Sing 1, 2, 3, go. All of my life, in every season, You are still God. I have a reason to sing. I have a reason to worship. All of my life, in every season, guys. Depende na sa inyo. I will bring praise. I will bring praise. I will bring praise. I will rejoice. I will declare. So, yun na nga guys. No? Yun yung tutorial kung paano i-play yung dessert song. So, play ko lahat, no? 1, 2, 3, go! This is my prayer in the desert, when all that's within me feels dry. This is my prayer in hunger and need, when God is the God who provides. This is my prayer in fire, in weakness or trial and pain. And there is a faith proof more than gold, so find me in the flame. Pam, 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 pam. I will bring praise, I will bring praise. No weapon formed against me shall remain. I will declare, I will declare, God is my victory and He is in me. So, kapit sa'yo, no? All of my life and every season, you are still God. I have a reason to sing. I have a reason to worship. So, no? Paspas tayo kasi punta tayo ng chorus. So, worship. All of my life, every season, you are still God. I have a reason to worship. I have a reason to worship. So, pause na. I will bring praise. I will bring praise. No weapon formed against me shall remain. I will rejoice. I will declare, God is my victory and He is stand. So, auto na tayo. So, let's go na. So, thank you, no, sa pagbisita ng aking tutorial, mga kagitarista. Comment down below if what I'm going to tutorial for you more. Kung bago ka pa dito guys, huwag mong kalimutan i-support si Dotski, Kadotski TV. Mag-subscribe lang, like just hit the like and notification bell guys. Disclaimer, pasensya na sa boses ko at hindi ako gaano kagaling mag-gitara. So, i-teach ko lang yung chords at paano din i-play. Bye guys, see you on my next video. Dotski out.